What is going on, guys? Welcome in today's video on how to download the game Roman Triumph Survival City Builder on your PC. So for the first step we will need to open our Google browser, and before we start I would like to ask you to subscribe to the channel and like the video. Now what we need to do is locate this game first on Steam, and then we can proceed to another website. So go to the Steam website, and after that search of course for the game Roman Triumph, and after that select it. Now if you scroll a little bit down, then you will find this game for currently €18.74, but this is a temporary offer till the 17th of April. So after that the price will be $24.99. Now what we need to do is go to the video description where it says find game here, and after that you will be redirected to this website. Now search for the same game Roman Triumph, and as you can see we have one here and it can be activated in our country. So what you need to do is select this one, and after that you will find out that this game is just €15.49 compared to the price of €18.74. But because this is a temporary offer, the price will be soon $24.99 again, and you will save even more money on downloading this game through this website. So what you need to do is purchase this game through this website, and you will receive a key for Steam to activate this game on Steam and download it through Steam. Once you have bought this game, you will receive an email confirmation with all the steps to follow to activate this game, including the activation key. And then you are able to play Roman Triumph, but much cheaper than through the Steam store. And this is how you save yourself a bit of money while downloading games online. Hopefully this video was helpful. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and we would love to see you in our next tutorial. Cheers, guys!